Oh, cool. I'm assuming that that's correct. I hope you can see me, but I don't really know. I can't do this. Oh my gosh, I'm so awkward. Okay. Hey everybody! Wow, I'm really natural right now. So, I am going to show you guys a natural, no makeup look that's just really simple, easy to do. You can use like any products that you have at home. Honestly, minimal is fine. I'm probably gonna find a purpose for every single one of these brushes. But if you don't have a kit this extensive, it's fine. Also, I have like 4 bags of stuff that I will be using in this really simple look, but don't feel like you have to have everything that I have in order to achieve this. It's low-key. I really hope my phone doesn't die in the middle of this. The movie will be trash. Let's try to make this fast. Any knowledgeable beauty guru will tell you that in order to achieve a no makeup look, you don't use any. That's what we're gonna go for. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this foundation by NARS. With this look, it really truly does not matter if it matches your skin tone at all because it's not actually going on your face. What I'm gonna do is take this and pretend to pour it on my hand like so. You still want to be very precise as you do this. And you want to get about 3 or 4 molecules. Don't be like, you know, it's okay, give or take. About that much. And then you're going to want to take the tiniest brush you have. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up that. And you're going to want to fill in just like your worst pores that you have. Probably like here and there. Good, moving on from there, you're gonna wanna do your eyebrows. And for that, I'm gonna grab a spoolie. I'm going to take this brush and this powder, and I'm just gonna get nothing and really, really work that into the brush. And then you're gonna take that and really make sure that you are really getting it in there and setting all that work that you've done, because this is really gonna keep everything in place without being, you know, overly dramatic. You're gonna wanna take your favorite highlighter and just imagine that you are picking up product on your finger, and then I like to use the mirror that I have and just imagine that I'm spreading the pixie dust. That looks so, you have to imagine that you're actually doing it. When I imagine that like my highlighter's on point, I'm like, wow. If you want to contour, you can, but when we're going for a really natural look, again, we just kind of want to keep it very subtle is the point. I'm going to take this palette here. Because we're not actually picking up any product for this natural no makeup look and we're not actually using makeup, you can really choose any color that you want. So for example, I love this green and I'm just going to barely go in with that. I'm not actually making contact with the brush. I'm just pretending. And then again, using the same mirror, I'm just going to imagine that in the hollow of my cheekbones, this product is going on and creating some shape. You can do this, like I said, at home, very simple. Finally, just a little bit of clear brow gel on your eyelashes so that it looks like you didn't do anything. Thanks, like and subscribe. Bye!